Good morning, ServiceBuilder users. From time to time, you want to send a PDF of your order of service to the users in your church. Now this is possible. It's integrated right into the order of service interface. I'm going to show you how to do that right after this. There are two ways to generate a PDF of your order of service. The first is to let ServiceBuilder's server do it, and the second is to let your own computer do it. To generate an order of service using ServiceBuilder's server, hover over this hover menu and choose Download PDF. When you do, your computer will download the PDF created by ServiceBuilder. This is a brand new feature, and I welcome feedback. I'm going to close this window and return to the order of service. The second way is to hover over the menu, and this time choose Print. When you do, you'll see that an order of service is generated. In a very similar way, now to create a PDF, you need to use your system's PDF printer. To do that, press Print. On my computer, it's Command P or Control P. And you'll see the destination is set as Save as PDF. This is the way Chrome manages it. Now the order of service is in portrait mode. I recommend that you switch the view to landscape so that you can fit more information on a page. You'll see that we still don't quite have the whole thing on one page. You could print front and back, or you could go into more settings and change the scale maybe to 75. When you do, as you modify your scale, you can get more. I'm using the down arrow to lower the number until everything fits. And then you click Save, give it a file name, and save it to your computer. Now this tab can be closed, and you're back at your order of service. Now that you know how to create a PDF of your order of service, you can attach it to an email. I didn't go through the details of how to do that, but you can see that in some of the other emails I've made. If you have any questions or need any assistance in any other subject, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye.